request all the dignitaries on the dais to light the lamp. Thank you all. We would seek the blessings of the Almighty through an invocation song. Now I request Tawasum from third semester to sing the invocation song.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोचयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Thank you, Tabasu. With the remembrance of our late Honorable Founder Chairman, Dr. S.M. Venkatpati Sir, I extend my hearty welcome to our Honorable Chairperson, Srimati B.L. Ramadevi Ma'am, our Honorable CEOs, Shri S.V. Pramod Gowda Sir and Shri S.V. Rajiv Gowda Sir in their absence. My hearty welcome to our Secretary of EPGI, Sri Peter Francis Sir, in his absentia. Now I extend my sincere gratitude and welcome Chief Guest Mr. Panish Sir, the co-founder of Loginware Softech Private Limited, Bangalore. I request Radhamani ma'am to welcome him. I would thank you, ma'am. I would like to convey my hearty welcome to our principal, sir, Dr. Prithyanjaya V. Latte, sir. I request Neelu, ma'am, to welcome him with a bouquet. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to welcome our Vice President, Vice Principal, and HOD, Dr. Yogesh GS, sir. I request Dr. Chandrappa, sir, to welcome him with a bouquet. I would like to welcome all the HODs of various departments, faculty members, and all the students for the event. Now I request Professor Neelu Mishra ma'am to read the profile of the resource person, Mr. Panish DD, sir.
Good morning, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and my dear students. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make more difference that you can live and live well. Live well. With these words, I am welcoming Chief Guest for today's function, Mr. Puneet, sir. Mr. Puneet DT PMP, co-founder of Loginware Software Private Limited, he focused on Industries 4.0 and various skill development program in software development and embedded system and IoT. He is PMP certified professional over a decade of experience. He served as a Linux system software engineer at Global Edge Software Technologies. He served various roles in Bosch Global Software Technology. He is an agile coach and trainer specialized in cutting-edge technology. On behalf of Department of ECE, I welcome you, sir, for today's function. We are hoping that you'll put an insight, whatever insights you are putting, it will inspire a student to do better. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our principal, sir, to address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. Mr. Panish, co-founder of Loginware and his team. Dr. Yogesh, coordinator of this SDP, madam, and all my faculty colleagues, staff, and my dear students. Yes, today the requirement of a good engineer is not only your classroom learning process and the equal amount of time you need to spend in design of the systems or the design of circuits. So if we recall, particularly the electronics engineers, see, we had a subject called as electronic circuits and design. Okay, so that was being considered as one of the most difficult subject. We have to take the discrete components, solder it, and then you have to identify the total circuit, and you have to give the input, check output, and the graph and the parameters calculations and all things with it. Today you are all lucky. So whatever you learn, so you need not have to go to the lab for the physical this one. No doubt the chips are available for the physical execution, but prior to that you can definitely ensure that your design is working to the required accuracy or required level through the simulation softwares. Okay. Particularly for electronics and communication engineers, there are two fields. One is the embedded system and another one is VLSI design. So both have tremendous opportunities and we can say a scope for developing you and take up this as a career. So this particular training program is mainly for the students and similarly FDPs are normally identified for the faculty and this one is a student development program and definitely this particular program is going to be for 5 days and today and tomorrow it will be a weekend 2 days program and next 3 Saturdays the training program is going to be arranged here and login based experts the complete team is here so they will definitely throw light on various design aspects and they will ensure that all of you get a good experience of the design process and what are the difficulties in the design process and what all parameters you need to look at while designing a circuit or while designing a system and the whole exercise should lead each and every one of you to take up your individual ideas for the design process and rig up and see to it that it is going to be your mini project for this year and in the successive years. So you will be taking up a good project and all along you develop the necessary skills to be a good electronics and communication engineer. So on this junction, so I appreciate and congratulate the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, all the faculty and all the office bearers of this particular program arrangement. And I wish all the students very best and get good experience out of this training. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Now I request Dr. Yogesh Ji, sir, to address the gathering.
A very good morning, everyone. Respected delegates on the dais, Honorable Principal Sir, and Honorable Panish from Login Bear, respected head of the departments, respected faculty members, and my dear student friends. I heartily welcome all of you to this 5 days student development program. This program acts as a value addition to all of you. As per the requirements of NAC and NBA, you are supposed to go for a training of 30 hours minimum. Keeping this thing in view, we have initiated this particular program. As Sir rightly mentioned, when it comes to electronics, basically we have two very important verticals. One is embedded systems and second one is VLSI. Since the inception of AI concepts, embedded industry is also in full swing. It requires huge manpower also at the same time. If you want to start journey in the embedded systems, the starting point would be to start a small hobby projects. Might be you may start with 8-bit microcontroller initially, then you can upgrade it to 16 and next to the 32-bit. So this type of journey starting from 8-bit to the 32-bit will help you to get a very good job prospect or job in the embedded system. So keeping this thing in mind, we thought let me have a program with related to embedded systems. At the same time, you need certain communication protocols if you want to work in embedded system field. Embedded system is found in many industry verticals. It may be automobile, it may be healthcare, or it may be home automation. In all the verticals, you need microcontrollers. So definitely this 5 days program will help you. will enhance your knowledge and help you to get a better job. Keep it in mind, at the end of 5 days, I want all of you to do a small mini project, whatever knowledge you have learned. If you want to become a job provider, means if you want to become an entrepreneur, you have an opportunity here. Do remember, if you are able to design a very good product out of 5 days program, or even if you get an idea how to go about, the program will be successful, I feel. I spoke to sir also, Panish sir, he was expressing, he shared his journey of becoming an entrepreneur. He's a role model for all of you. Rather than seeking a job, he has become a job provider. And he was proud that he was expressing, sir, we have given job for around 25 students in our hometown. He's from basically Asan. I could see his happiness. When you give back to the society, that happiness is a bit different. I could see in his eyes and in his talk. Definitely, we would look forward same work from all of you. If not from all of you, might be few of you are very much interested or interested in entrepreneurship. You can definitely think over. Give a good product for the society. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Parvati ma'am to welcome the resource person, Mr. Yashwant Krishna, sir, with the bouquet. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Kiran sir to welcome Mr. Rakshit sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request Payal sir to welcome Abhishek sir with With this, now I call upon the resource person, Mr. Panish Beauty sir, to take over the session. Over to you, sir.
Okay.
Peter sir.